Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we're back with another video. We've made it to day number 178 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a one-year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So if you guys are following these videos, please like, subscribe to this channel. Also, go back and watch those previous videos in the beginning so you can kind of see where we started to see where we are right now. All right. So I just wanted to, show you guys what this is all about, what this method is all about. And I am documenting every single day of me shooting these videos and my progress on getting starting from scratch, starting from day one of a offer, and then going as long as we can take it all the way up to a year, 365 days. All right, guys. So please follow along, subscribe to this channel. It's going to be a good one, guys. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Like I said, we made it today, number 178. All right. So right now, if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Every day you come into this back office, guys, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to be how many accounts that you have. Cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can literally come in, sign up today, and then start stacking your accounts, signing up underneath your own affiliate link. Okay. So, which is pretty cool. So, that's how you get multiple accounts, guys, and how you can start reaching lots and lots of people every single day, okay, from this traffic. Now, this My Lead Gen Secret traffic, guys, these are business opportunity leads, okay? So the leads that are coming in every day, these people care about making money online. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers that are related to making money online. We create an email and we send that email out to this traffic and we get results and then eventually we get sales. All right. Just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while, guys. I can tell you that this does work. It does convert. These leads do convert. Okay. And I have earned income with My Lead Gen Secret and also with ClickBank and many other networks. All right. So I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. There's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secret. Number one is just promoting My Lead Gen Secret itself. You can literally create an offer or go into this affiliates tab right here, grab those free pre-written email swipes that you can use. You can literally come in here to the mailing system and just promote My Lead Gen Secret itself and make money from My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. And that's going to be one popular way. The other popular way is by using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. They got Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. They got tons of different CPA networks that you guys can go to, and you can become an affiliate from those offers. In the business opportunity offers, and you can become an affiliate and you can use those affiliate links to make money from. Okay. So that's going to be the second way is by using an affiliate network to make money with, to use their offers. Okay. So that's why we're using a place called ClickBank, because in ClickBank, they have a marketplace where you go. They have tons of different niches, but the niche that we are looking for is e-business, e-marketing, which is, business opportunity. So pretty much all we have to do is go to clickbank.com. You can sign up for a free account, and then you can start using those free offers. Okay, there's about 4 offers in there that are really good that I would recommend you guys using. Okay. There's going to be 3 different ways to send out an email in this My Lead Gen Secret system. Number one is you can create an email. Okay. If you're good at creating ad copy, simply just create an email on the notepad, get your affiliate link and then paste that into the email and then click send. That information will go out to your list of subscribers. Okay. That's going to be one way to send out an email. The next way is using an email AI service or Chat GPT or something like that. You can literally, go to Chat GPT, tell it what kind of email you want it to write you. You can write it based on the offer that you're promoting. That's going to be the second way is, like I said, using some AI service or something like that. The third way is going to be using the free pre-written email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. Now on ClickBank, there's about 4 different offers. All of those offers, guys, in the e-business e-marketing section do have pre-written email swipes that are already ready to convert for you. Okay, all you got to do is take those emails and literally, paste those over to this system. Okay, I'm gonna show you one of the emails what it looks like. Like I said, literally, you can grab one of these emails. Let me just find one right here. You can just grab one of these emails. Okay, it comes with a subject line and then also a text, a body text. Okay. So you can literally have everything that you need. And all you have to do is come over here and copy and paste it over to the system. Okay. I didn't write none of this stuff. All I did was just come in and copy and paste over. Okay. So you can take this link right here, create this link, hyperlink. Okay. And once our prospects clicks on this link where it says hit this link to apply, it's going to take them over to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us, guys. We don't have to do anything. All we have to do is create a good email, make sure everything looks good, make sure we have our affiliate link in that email, and then click send. Okay. Our affiliate link is going to do all the selling and telling for us. It's going to do all the follow ups and things like that. Okay. In the funnel. And then it's going to work with the customer until they decide to buy or decide to start working with us. Okay. So those are going to be the 3 ways to send out an email. Okay, is by using those free email swipes is what I would recommend. Okay, now if you go back and watch the beginning of these videos, I go in great detail on how to grab an offer from ClickBank and to use their free email swipes. Okay, so go back and watch those previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. All right, so those are going to be the 3 popular ways to send out an email. Okay, and then also I showed you the 2 popular ways to make money with this system. All right, now this system is pretty cool, guys. With my 8 different accounts, I have 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out emails every single day. Okay, me, I like sending out my emails at night. I like doing it anytime before midnight. Okay. Anywhere from 9 to midnight, I like sending out my emails. Okay. That way it's late. If people are up, they can check their email right away. Most people are asleep and getting ready to get up for the next day. And then when they go to work or whenever they get up and move around, that email is already in their inbox and they can, start to review it and then start working. Okay. So the cool thing about these offers, guys, on while we're promoting, these are business opportunity offers. Like I said, these are kind of more of your job, job type of feel to the email. Okay, so the email kind of looks more of like a job, right? And that's the cool thing about this is because these business opportunities, people are actually hungry for some kind of opportunity to make money. Okay, so I sent out my emails last night, guys. I send out my emails every night around this time, and then I come back and I talk about them the next day. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Okay, I'm gonna show you my back office here. Let's go back here to the dashboard. Let's check it out. Today is the 22nd. Okay, I like to do the last 30 days. Click on apply. And as you can see right here, guys, today is October the 22nd. You come down here, it's October the 22nd. None of this is any type of fake screenshots or anything like that. So what I want to do is come down here. I like to show the algorithm of the last 30 days. Okay. As you can see, this is the last 30 days. We've made quite a few sales, which is really good. Okay. And there's are just a couple of gaps in here. Okay. So, which is normal. We're still in month number 5. We're almost in month number 6. But as you can see, this is the algorithm, guys. So, we didn't get sales for a couple of days right here. We got a sale, missed a sale, came back and got 4 sales in a row. We missed a day right here, but came back and got another 4 sales in a row. Okay. We missed 2 days, but as of the last couple of weeks, we've been getting sales back to back, and then we miss a day back to back. We miss a day, and we get sales back to back. Right here, we missed 2 days, but then we came back and got a sale back to back. We missed a sale right here, but then we got them back to back, and we did earn a sale today. Okay, so this is just kind of the algorithm, guys. So you know that what to expect. If between months 3 and month 5 of you promoting this service and you sticking with one offer, okay, what I would recommend is just grab an offer and then use that same offer for at least 6 months. Okay, just to see how it works for you. Okay. I wouldn't jump around to offer and offer and offer. Okay. I would just stay with one offer and promote that for a while and see how that works for you. Okay. You can always change up the emails, but I would just keep that one offer and just milk that one offer to see how much money you can make from it. Okay. So this specific offer, guys, like I said, I've been doing this same offer, okay, back to back, going on where we're in month number 5, every single day for 5 months. Okay, we've been promoting one offer, and this is the results from promoting just one offer. We're getting consistent sales. Okay, these sales are consistent. Okay, there's no hit and miss. Okay, I mean there is hit and miss, but it's consistent. So what I'm trying to say is this is what you would expect come month between month 3 and month 5. These are the type of results that you're going to get. Okay, with you jumping around from offer to offer, you can try that, see how that works out for you. It may work, but from my research and my uh, promoting these offers, guys, I like to stick with one offer, and I like to do that for at least a couple months at a time to test it to see if it really works. Okay, like I said, with this offer, I've been doing it for over 5 months, going on 6, and I'm getting sales quite often. Okay, now the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every Friday. Okay, so you can literally come in here every Friday, guys. You will receive a paycheck from ClickBank. Okay, so pretty much all you have to do is just come in here, send out your emails every day. It takes, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes. Excuse me. If you're new, it may take you about 15 to 20, just to, concentrate on getting your emails right, make sure everything is good. But as you get to doing this, guys, it's going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes and not long time at all, guys. All right. So just wanted to show you guys the algorithm, that, what it looks like for the last 30 days. As you can see, we've been making pretty consistent sales here, guys. I've just gotten paid on Friday, last Friday, and then coming up here, today's Wednesday. So tomorrow's Thursday, Friday, I'm going to receive another paycheck, okay, from ClickBank, which is awesome. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Wanted to show you the results. Wanted to show you how to send out an email. Please like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Like this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this stuff. It helps get this out there to other people that are looking for ways to make money online. All right. And this right here, guys, this method by far is the easiest way to make money online. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the video. Underneath this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get started. Go ahead and click on this link, this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page. Come down here, guys. Just check out some of these testimonials, okay? Look at some of these screenshots from other people making money with the system, okay? I'm not the only one making money with the system, all right? There's other people doing it, okay? So as you can see, this is a pretty nice community of other like-minded individuals like yourself who are looking for ways to make money online. All right. So if you go right here, guys, click on Join MLGS now. Go ahead and get your account set up. Pay your little $60 and $30 a month to keep the service. You're going to get thousands and thousands of subscribers every single month. Okay. Every single day, you're going to gain subscribers. Okay. Let me just take you over here to one of my accounts. This account I've been having for a while. Let's go over here to the mailing system. As you can see, guys, check this out. This account, guys, has over 115,000 people, okay, that I can get in front of, okay. Every single day, I can come in here every 24 hours. I can come in here and I can send out an email and I can reach over 100,000 people, okay, which is really, really cool, okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, and you can do this. This is a sustainable business. My Legion Secrets been around over 8 years now. So they've been here and they're here to stay. Okay. So as long as this site is up, I'm gonna continue to use it and I'm gonna continue to make money with it. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna end this video. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do stuff, how to send out an email, and also I wanted to show you the results from the last 30 days so you can know what to expect if you were the guys to get started. So go ahead and get your account started, guys. Once you do, send me a message, comment below, let me know. That way I can send you some bonus emails that I have that I use myself personally, that I don't share with everyone. So I'll share those with you if you guys want to get a fast start to this thing. So I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow. I'll see you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.